In our last bite-sized training, we shared 1 out of 3 different ways to set up a Google Hangout. The first method utilized Google Calendar. Today I will show you 2 other ways to set up a Google Hangout. First is by going to hangouts.google.com. First I'll press video call, and now I am prompted to give my Hangout a name. And I'll press the arrow. So no one's in my Hangout right now. And by the way, the method that I'm using would be good for either planning or on the fly. And now I'm going to click invite people. By default, if you access Hangouts in this way, your video call will be restricted to within our district. If I wanted to send an invite to someone in our district, I would type their name and they would pop up and I could invite them by selecting their name and then pressing invite. Another cool feature of accessing Hangouts in this way is up here where it says East Porter County Schools Only Meeting. If I press change, I can allow the Hangout to go outside of our district. So by allowing the Hangout to reach people outside of our district, I get an additional option. Google Hangouts creates a permanent link for me so that I can use that link to invite people to join this Hangout. An example of using this permanent link would be for PLC. So if you're meeting with your curriculum group for PLC once a month, you can create a permanent link. Everyone has access to that link and they know that every single month when you meet on Hangouts to use that same link to connect. I can copy and paste this link, send it in an email, I can link it inside of a Google Doc, or I can share by clicking here and using Gmail. And finally, the third way to connect using Google Hangouts is within Gmail and by using GChat. So over here in my GChat window, I will start a conversation, and right underneath the person's name that you're chatting with, you'll see that video icon. If I click that, it will start a video call automatically with the person I'm chatting with. And this option is really good for setting up a Hangout on the fly. So to wrap up, we talked about 3 different ways to connect using Google Hangouts. We used Google Calendar, we used hangouts.google.com, and we used GChat. Thanks!